The price of Bitcoin in the last 24 hours has come down to about $42,000, and as usual, people are panicking. So in this video, we are going to take a look at what is the exact reason for the Bitcoin price tanking to $42,000. Is it due to the FUD that is coming out of China, that China has banned Bitcoin for the 1000th time probably, or is it because of some facts in the charts? Also, we are going to take a look at what is the whales doing as of this moment and a few on-chain data as well. So stay tuned to this video and find out where we could be heading next with the Bitcoin price.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency or anything related to cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the description below, and this is completely free of cost. But if you want to join a premium channel and want to have a discussion with me one-on-one, feel free to reach out to me. My Telegram is given in the pinned comments. So without further delay, let's jump onto the Bitcoin charts first. So as of this moment, Bitcoin is trading at around $42,200. But if we look at the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has seen a small correction. It made a high of about $45,100 and it corrected down to the lows of about $40,700 as well. If we do a quick measurement of the last 24 hours, so we had a pullback of about 10%. Now if you have been into crypto for some time, 10%, 15%, if for that matter 20% correction should not bother you, because in 2018 we have seen days where the Bitcoin price has plummeted by more than 25% as well. But was this something that we were expecting? To be honest, yes. In our earlier videos we have actually told you that the week starting the 20th of September is something that is expected to be red, and we gave you the exact reasons. And if you do a quick measurement of this week's price decline, it is approximately at about 20%, or even less than 20%. It's actually about 16.5 percentage points. So that's pretty normal for a week. But why did we expect a correction in this particular week? People on our community were saying that we had predicted the bottom, or we had predicted the fall right to the T. But was this something that was due? Yes, of course, this was something that was due, because if we look back onto the 2013 chart, this market cycle is copying the 2013 to the T. Okay, does that mean it will keep on copying the 2013 market cycle like how exactly it happened? I don't personally think so. I think there will be a time where we will diverge from that fact as well. But why did we decline? Why did we see a pullback this week itself? So there are a couple of reasons. Number one, there was this China FUD, not the ban FUD, but the Evergrande FUD, that the Evergrande, which is the second largest real estate company in China, it has defaulted from its interest payments, and it brought not only Bitcoin but the entire market, global markets down along with it. That was one of the reasons. But why did we predict that we may see some pullback? Because September 24th, that is today, is the quarterly closure of the Bitcoin contracts. Okay, so it is the expiry of the quarterly contracts, and whenever there's an expiry, we have seen these kind of pullbacks all the time. So this was something that we had predicted. Now, what are the key levels to watch out for? So if we go to the weekly chart first of all, so and pull out the moving averages, so we are still above the 20 week. We had a small wick going below the 20 week, almost to the 50 week. So the 50 week currently is at about 38,700, 38,680 to be precise, and the 20 week is at about 40,740 approximately, and we are above it for the time. So if we are testing this 20 week and getting a bounce from it, it would be absolutely amazing, because whenever we see in the past, whenever we have come down and then tested the 20 week and then taken a jump, that jump takes us to new all-time high. So this is extremely important. Now what we need to see is that we need to hold the 20 week as a support this time and take a jump from here. One other important factor which we need to keep a look at is the 21 week EMA. A lot of people actually consider that as well, so let's quickly take a look at the EMA ribbon as well. The 21 week EMA at this point of time is at about 43,418. okay, so we are below the 21 week EMA. For a few people, that is something that is extremely crucial, and they treat that as an indicator whether we are bullish or bearish at that point of time. But one of the important things to note here is that we still have got about 2 days time to close this weekly candle. If we bounce to about 43,500 or so and we close above the 21 week EMA, then absolutely we are doing phenomenally well. But for me personally, I personally keep a track of the 20 week SMA for my bullish or bearish trades. Now if we go to the daily chart, what we can see basically is that we got a pullback, and if we got a pullback straight to the 100-day simple moving average, the green line that you see here is the 100-day. The 100-day is at about 40,900 approximately. So we got a bounce straight from the 100-day, and this is the third time that we have tested the 100-day this week itself. Okay, and this is not good, because the more number of times we tend to test our support, the support tends to become weaker and weaker, right? That is something that we need to keep an eye on. Now if we take a look at the RSI quickly, the RSI for me, it looks like we are going to form a kind of a double bottom. Okay, so that is something that is absolutely very important, and it's a very bullish scenario as well. If we move this chart to our line chart here, this would become much more clearer, right? So we are forming kind of a double bottom, which is extremely bullish, and we can see a rise. Mind you, the double bottom is not yet formed. The double bottom will be formed only when we see a rise from here. That is extremely important, and this is on the daily time frame, so it is extremely crucial as well. If I have to talk about the stochastic RSI, on the daily time frame, it's heading north, which is a good sign. But if we speak about the stochastic RSI on the weekly time frame, it is actually pointing down, which is not such a great signal. We may see levels of about 39,000 or 38,000 for that matter as well. If we look here, then this level of about 39,000 is a good support. We may see some pullback to those levels as well, so be prepared. If you are trading in futures, you need to trade very cautiously. Okay, and for trading purpose, here is a cheat code. Okay, so if we go to the 4-hourly time frame, which I generally look at while trading in futures, and if we go and plot the candle charts here, and we want to pull out the Fibonacci ZIA. Okay, so whenever the price is reaching these lower halves of the FIBZIA, we can expect a pullback. Okay, so for our premium members, we have been trading Bitcoin as well as some of the other altcoins, and this is one of the cheat codes that we generally like to use. If you're tracking any coin and you are expecting a reversal, it could be a reversal to the upside, it could be a reversal to the downside as well, right? Keep a close eye on this Fibonacci ZIA, because most of the price actions tend to happen within the zone of the FIBZIA, right? So for example, we got a pullback here straight to about 40,700, and the lower half of the FIBZIA was at about 40,000, approximately about 40,680. So we almost tested it, and then we got up move to the upside. So it is not that great move, but if we do a quick measurement from here itself, so we got a pullback of about 5%, and if you're taking a 10x leverage on Bitcoin, that is of approximately 45-50% move already. But remember this thing, that trading in futures is extremely risky, and you should be a professional trader, or you should be willing to take the risk. Then only you should be trading in the future. So keep this in mind, keep the FIBZIA in mind when trading in futures. Now with this correction, a lot of people are actually panicking, right? They are thinking that okay, Bitcoin might head over down to $30,000 again, or even below than that as well, right? So the panic is in for a few folks. But let's see what the whales are doing, and in particularly the largest whale. So the largest whale is this particular wallet address, right? So it holds approximately 112,000 Bitcoin, and the US dollar balance is more than $4.7 billion. let's see what this whale has been doing. So this whale, as on this week that started from the 20th, so this whale actually bought about 320 bitcoins on the 22nd, 408 bitcoins on the 23rd, and as on today, that is 24th of September, this whale bought about 208 bitcoins. So in total, only in this week, this particular whale has bought about 930 bitcoins. Okay, and the average price at which they bought was between $41,000 to $44,000. So approximately the average price would be about $42,000 to $43,000 is the average price where they have bought these bitcoins. Now mind you, this whale tends to buy at the bottom and sell at the peak. If we look at the previous transactions, and if we go back to about, let's say, May, when the price was about $64,000 or $60,000, and the price then just suddenly declined, right? Let's take a look what this whale was actually doing. So in May, what we can see is this whale actually sold off 3,000 bitcoins, right, at the price of 58,000. And prior to that, at the beginning of May itself, right, this whale again sold 3,000 bitcoins at the price of $54,000 and $56,000. Okay, then of course, once the price declined, he then bought bitcoin from about 50,000 till about $32,000 as well. On the 23rd of May, he bought a small quantity of bitcoin at $33,000. So it is very important for us to keep a track of the whales wallet as well, what they are doing, because mind you, if you are following the whales, if you are flowing in the same direction as the whales are doing, then you will be doing pretty well. And with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, this is the best thing, right? Everything is transparent. You can follow what other people are doing as well. And in particular, this whale has been buying the bottoms and selling the tops. So if this whale is actually buying at about $43,000, it gives me some confidence to keep buying Bitcoin. For me personally, I haven't bought Bitcoin. At the last time I bought Bitcoin was at about $32,000. That was the last time I had bought Bitcoin, to be honest, right? I have not bought into Bitcoin, but there are a few alts that we have bought for our premium members, but let me share them with you as well, right? So we personally have bought Avalanche, Atom, that is the Cosmos, and of course the FTX token. Okay, we have bought them at this dip itself, and already we are up significantly, right? I personally believe the Cosmos ecosystem could be the next that could actually take off, and it may give you great returns. But mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and please do your own research before investing. So for me personally and for our premium members, we are buying these altcoins and probably looking at a mid to long run perspective with these as well as we are doing some trades along the way as well. Now let's take a quick look on the exchange balances. Now, as you know, the exchange balances also tends to reveal a lot of things. When the balances of Bitcoin in the exchanges tend to rise, then we may presume that a sellout is coming in. People might be selling more, and when the reserves tend to go less, then people are taking Bitcoin off the exchanges. That means they are buying more and more. Now, if you look at some of the top exchanges around the world globally, the last 24 hours, the Coinbase Pro, which is a very popular exchange among the whales. Okay, this is the most popular exchange among the whales, so that has got a Bitcoin balance of minus 230 bitcoins. Okay, and if we talk about Binance, it has a Bitcoin balance of minus 1700 bitcoins in the last 24 hours. But if we go to the charts here directly, what we can see is that we got a dip on the 18th of September. Mind you, that week we saw a decline in the Bitcoin prices, but the exchange balances were actually reducing. That means people were buying at those important levels. Then we saw a rise on the week starting of 20th of September, that is this week itself. We saw a rise in the balances till up to 23rd. Then today also we are seeing a small decline as well, so that is indicating that people are actually buying Bitcoin, and more importantly, the whales are buying Bitcoin at these levels. So apart from Bitcoin, I am also investing in a lot of IDOs, right? So IDOs have been very popular. Two of the IDOs that I have covered are DSpace and Octane Finance, which have given good return. DSpace in particular has given returns of more than 7 or 8x already. Now, if you want to know which are some of the other IDOs that I have invested in personally, then please let me know by commenting below, and I will cover all the IDOs that I have invested so far, right? And a few of them are already out. You may not get the opportunity to participate in them, but if you want to know what are some of the ideas that are yet to come out, then of course do let me know by commenting below, and I'll surely cover them in a day or two, right? So if you like the content, please smash up the like button and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are getting notified with all the videos that we are releasing. If you want to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other cryptocurrency for free of cost, okay, and you want to indulge in a discussion with our community members, with our family members, then head over to Telegram, join our family. Link is given in the description below. It is absolutely free of cost. Nobody would charge you even a penny for that as well, right? However, if you want to become a premium member, right, where we do all kind of strategies, where we tell you what are some of the coins that you should be buying, and plenty of other features as well, right? If you want to discuss about that, then you can reach out to me. My Telegram link is given in the pinned comments down below. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Share this video with your friends and family if you can help us in extending the reach, and also please smash up the like button, because that tells YouTube that you are actually liking the video and extends our reach, right? So if you are liking the content, please smash up the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye for now.